FYI, we're doing another Klein exhaust install in his 458, so here he comes.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
So Carrie's car is here in the garage, torn apart, and I'm, believe it or not, I'm actually working on my laptop. This is the greatest way to work on a car ever, by the way. I just sit here and say, hey, remove that bolt, turn that, whatever. And it's actually pretty smooth. I mean,
Well, I mean, about every 15 minutes he yells, fan! I'm gonna have to run over here and kind of do this.
Yeah, that's true. I do require constant air.
There you go.
Thank you.
Sorry, I was using it. Sorry.
Thank you. Oh, yeah, you can just leave it
There
blowing.
you go.
It's nice. This is how you work on cars. All right, so we are doing something a little bit interesting with this setup. We are actually throwing in a Forza Componente controller, so check this out. So we've got the Forza mounted right here, and basically just splices into the existing wiring harness. Just everything clips in, no big deal whatsoever. It took me literally 2 minutes since the bumper's off. And yeah, now this gives him the option of being able to turn the valves on or off, or have the computer manage them just like it was stock. Pretty awesome to have that. These are really cheap, really awesome things. I think it's Forza Componente or Componente.com. You are starting to look like you have a real car again, Carrie.
Yes. I'm excited.
I can't wait to hear it.
Just terrorize the streets of Austin.
Yes. Look at you installing some slip low scrape guards. Hey Carrie, where'd you get those scrape guards?
They were recommended by Normal Guy Supercar.
Really? Did you use the code NGS10 to get 10% off?
I did.
Oh, isn't that awesome?
It is awesome.
Yeah,
They are proven to do the job, and it's just what I needed to protect this beautiful Rosso Fuoco paint.
Shameless
that
plug.
keeps me up at night.
In this English lesson, I wanted to help you learn the English phrase, shameless plug.
Oh yeah, actually, your bumper's in like near perfect condition, and we want to keep it that way.
It is.
Actually, yeah, you really, I don't see any scrapes.
It is brand new, beautiful. We've got to keep it that way.
Yes. So go to bit.ly/NGS scrape. You can pick up these slip level scrape guards using the code NGS10. They'll get you 10% off. Yes, protect this glorious Rosso Fuoco.
Bellissimo.
Grazie. Gorlomi? Lo pronuncio correttamente? Sì, corretto.
Alright, so for those of you wondering why I have not been helping Carrie much.
No kidding.
Two things. One, yesterday I was working while he was wrenching, so I, gotta do my day job now. Which actually was kind of cool. I just brought the laptop in the garage. I was working in the garage. Kind of nice. And then today, I had a balloon sinuplasty, which I'm actually doing a video talking about that. So if you're interested in learning about that, and I'm also going to do, in the same video, I'm going to talk about LASIK, which I'm getting in 3 days. It's a crazy day. Car's almost done. We're going to start up in a minute, and we're going to hear this sucker. It's going to be badass. Bad news, good news. Good news, done. Bad news, it's 11 o'clock at night, so we're not going to start it up tonight because it's going to be loud as hell.
The next day.
All right. It's the next morning, 7 a.m., and I think someone's excited.
Me.
I thought it was me.
I'll give you 3 guesses. You only need 1. It's me.
You ready?
Oh, I'm way past ready. I'm 20 years in ready.
All right, I'm going to just film your face.
My O face. Are you ready?
Yep.
It's coming.
There's the bell. The remote.
Oh yeah.
And then I'm a neighbor?
No.
I'm not a neighbor.
Oh. I like the ornery one.
Yeah, let's keep it ornery.
Okay.
Oh, you kind of need the top down to experience this in its pure awesomeness.
Well, if you insist.
I do.
Oh. Come on, beauty. Look at that. Oh.
Perfect morning for it.
Now we've got good seats for this event. Wasn't worried about that pull-out with my slip-low protection. I don't have to worry about these neighbors. I don't live here. Wake them up.
Thanks.
You know they'd be happy to hear that.
Feel how much touchier it is now?
Yes. This horse wants to run, baby.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we got pops and bangs.
You got one quick, Josh. Good job.
That's a police car too, so.
Oh, sure. Good morning,
great.
officer.
It's actually kind of cool this morning.
It is nice. Much better than your normal 108 degrees.
Yes.
Yes! That's just right.
Yes.
Oh,
Oh my god.
oh,
I'm gonna have to have him
overdid
retune
it.
mine.
Yeah.
It's not surging, is it? When you let off?
No.
Perfect.
Perfect. Oh, those are great. Oh my gosh. That's perfect. Well, mostly country driving home will be perfect because I'll have to downshift constantly.
Oh yeah. Up, down, up, down, up, down.
Oh gosh.
So it's interesting, the headers do make it louder.
Do you think so?
Oh yeah. Yeah, definitely, definitely Richards is just a little bit louder. We'll have to break out the decibel meter.
Oh, I'm sure it is. You've got to find something else for me to spend money on.
It's
can
not
always count on
much.
you.
Yeah, I know. I love spending Carrie's money. You're welcome, Carrie.
Oh well, I know how to do it now. Just send me home to buy headers.
No check engine light?
No, of course not.
Nice.
Josh is the man. I can do that all day. You're gonna be giggling, Meredith. Oh, that's terrible.
But it'd be nice on the highway.
Well, that's true. After the new wears off. It's funny because it even I even think that in your video, Richards sounds louder than this in person.
Yeah. You can kind of tell just by.
Wow. Yeah. But oh, it's just right.
But it's close.
Fine.
It's very close.
It's almost. I wonder maybe when I'm around something, maybe it's echoing off stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
It almost seems like Ryan's would be louder than that.
His probably is, because X-Pipe's
Wow.
quiet down a little.
It is just his just violent.
Yeah, X-Pipes do actually make the car quieter.
Really.
Yep.
Look at the Jeep. Some lady taking her kids to school is going to want to race me.
I think so.
Oh yeah, you can do that all day. How do you have a driver's license? How do you keep it? How many hours of community service do you do? Here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just so we don't.
Oh, so you need me to downshift?
Yes.
A lot?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. How's that? How's that? How's that? That's just right. Oh, he got that nailed down. That's perfect.
It's a little weird sounding when it it's really high, because it goes. You know, but it almost sounds like a Revlamer.
I like it.
Oh. You know what I'm talking about. Oh.
Oh my gosh. You do that all day.
It just makes you turn into a 4-year-old. It never gets old. Oh my god.
Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome.
That's what it's all about right here, man.
You're gonna have to start being the retailer for Josh, because you have it on your car. If you show up, you'll buy whatever you've got for sale. You can just experience it. You might as well always have a car in inventory.
I know, right?
You say, I'm not sure if I really want to spend the money. Well, drive it. You might not like it.
Here's an idea. What would you say if I just started buying 458s and decking them out the way I think they're supposed to be done, and then sell them to you guys?
Yeah.
I could do that.
Well, you're constantly getting hired to find one.
Yeah.
You're constantly getting hired to negotiate for someone's purchase. Let's get some inventory going.
I like this idea.
Meg can park around the corner down the street. You're welcome. Oh my gosh. If you drive it to work, you'd never end up at work. Oh my gosh.
Like, oh, this road looks fun. This road looks fun.
Oh yeah, they would call me at 10:30. Where are you? On my way to work. It still screams good. That's plenty good. Oh gosh.
You'll be curious is to see how it shoots, if it shoots flames as much as Richards.
Oh, I hope so.
Oh man. I gotta get headers now.
I know.
Because now that I know it does make a little bit of a difference, just a little.
Such expensive peer pressure.
Oh, I know, right? They're so damn expensive too. And they're such a pain in the ass. I really don't want to do that, but
Let's do it. Do it, Dan.
yeah.
Right, Fred? Do it, Dan.
Do it. Do it.
Well, it's like I said to somebody at home when Richard said, oh, Kerry needs to hear that. He's going to want to do the headers. I was like, Josh should have just ordered them and had them laying there and said, I mean, you know, if you don't really want them, but it won't sound like Richard's. Yeah, I would have bought them. I wouldn't even argue. Oh my gosh. That
Holy
will
cow.
never get old. That's better than the roller coaster ride.
Oh my god.
Woo! So nice. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Oh, you're not gonna get that in very many cars. Are you? I mean,
I think it looks like you're totally disappointed. You want you want a full refund?
I've owned a lot of cars, had a lot of fast cars, still do, but nothing's gonna sound like that. Nothing's gonna make you laugh like that. I don't think that's ever gonna wear off.
Oh, it doesn't.
Oh my
It's always
gosh.
awesome.
Just, you know, when I was debating on the F12 and more power, is just because all you do is look at some horsepower rating.
Yeah. Yep.
You can't do that in these cars. It doesn't matter. This car, when I rode with you and yours a long time ago, I mean, I thought, well, how in the world could you drive anything with any more power? It's just so responsive and just, my gosh. And the sound and the RPMs makes you think you're going 50% faster than you're going, and you're still going violently fast. Oh my gosh. It's an experience.
Oh, just a quick thing. So the tune he's got, we actually pulled out the ECUs. So that means any of you that have a 458 that want it tuned with pops and bangs, so the 12s, 13s, 14s did not have pops and bangs from the factory, you can actually ship him your ECUs and Josh can tune them. So go check out his website, exoticpower.net. So go check out Josh's website, exoticpower.net, talk to Josh, and it's worth
it. And if you're pulling out the cats and stuff like that, you're gonna need a tune anyway to make the CEL go away. So now he can actually do it by having you ship the ECUs to him. Totally worth it.
Do it. I don't care where you live. It's state law.
State law of Forza. Final thoughts?
My heart's still racing. I mean, I am all amped up. That is a ball. That is worth the price of admission. And if you're on the fence about buying a car, you need to do it. And if you've got one with stock exhaust, you need to do it because it's just, man, it's so much more fun. I mean, we drove yesterday and I didn't get all excited.
It was fun.
It was fun being in it. Couldn't believe it, having a ball. But man, that just makes you nuts.
Turns into a 4-year-old.
That does it. It does it. It is amazing. It wasn't bad to do the job. I mean, it was fine. It was well worth it. I mean, I just couldn't be happier. And especially, and even if you were selling a car, to show up and drive 3 with stock exhaust and get in another one
the first
that
time
doesn't,
you hear a
you
stock
go, oh, I
exhaust,
want that.
yeah.
It would totally change your mind. It would just blur your vision that you have to have that one that sounds perfect.
Yeah.
It's a shame they're not like that from the factory, but boy, it's fun getting to change it. Man, it's a ball. I'm going to drive everybody nuts at home.
Yes.